Hey students and families, I noticed that we were having a hard time logging into different applications. So I'm going to show you how you can use the resource sheet that I posted on Edsby or on Class Dojo story for you guys to be able to use to get on those different applications. So what you do is when you open up that resource sheet, it will look like this. And then you take this link right here and you copy and paste it and put it in your Google Chrome browser. And it will show up like this. And then today, this is all the different apps that we have been using so far in this e-learning process. Today I'm going to go through and how to show you how to get into Quizzizz. So when you click Quizzizz, it'll show up like this. And they'll say enter a game code. So those game codes are what I've been posting on our lesson plans here. Now I've updated the game codes because the game codes expired because they were supposed to be due that day. So I've updated them, so now they are going to be due April 9th. So you can go back and do all of the different quizzes for science and for math. I'm going to post those new numbers, those new codes, into Edsby as well as Class Dojo. So now I can take this code, 13, 11, 15, and I can go ahead and put it in here, 13, 11, 15. And I click join. And then you put your name in. This is really important. You have to have your name in. You don't have to have your last name, but you have to at least have your name so I know who it is that is earning the grade that you entered. So I'm going to put Kingsley start game. Ooh, cool. Start. And then it's going to be a little quiz about the activities that we've been learning. Oh, how much longer is the pen than the crayon? Oh, I need to look at this. Now be careful because you only have a couple minutes to do each one. So if you get up and leave the computer, you are not going to be able to go ahead and go back and do that. And that's how you get into Quizzizz. If you need any help, please let me know. Thank you.